Hi, welcome to Kika. I'm your host, Michelangelo. And that's Michelangelo Barques. And this episode is being sponsored by Kika Institute for Hawaii. For Kika in Hawaiian means guitar. And I want to give a big shout out to the Guitar Foundation for your support. Thank you very much. Hold on. I love my dew. There's not a day that I can go without my dew. Maybe I'll drink root beer. Maybe. But the dew is it. Alright. So for today's lesson, I got an email that said if I knew how to do any animal sounds. It's kind of weird because I lived on a farm when I was in LA by Riverside. But, you know, I never really practiced any of the animal sound. But, okay. Alright, so the first animal sound, yes, I have a lot of time on my hand, is the rooster, the cock-a-doodle-doo. So the way I would do that is I would go on the 9th fret off the G string and then just kind of bend the bar as you see, and then just kind of end it right away. See? The next animal that I do know of is the cow. So the cow is going to be on the low E. I'm going to slightly bend the bar, but as I bend, I'm going to bend my finger here. So it's going to be like. Just funny. Another animal one that I know is the sheep. Sheep is going to be 2nd fret. Now, if you have a Floyd, it'll be easier to do this lick. If you have like maybe a Kaler or maybe a Fender stock pick tremolo bar system, might be kind of hard because you're really going to have to up the ante with your bar. So it sounds like this. Well, anyway, I hope you have fun practicing those, and okay, here's another sound, but it's not a farm animal. It's one of those leaf blower. You know that. So anyway, I'm bending the bar and hitting on the 3rd fret off the low E, and I'm just shaking my head like that, just to make the sound of the leaf blower. Anyway, I'm Michelangelo Barques. I hope you have fun with those licks, and I hope it inspires you to create your own unique licks, because we need more licks. Anyway, I want to see your name in lights.